Are your Bronco seats getting beat up by daily use, mud, sun, and weekend adventures? Don't worry, I've rounded up the top seat covers that keep your Bronco looking bold, clean, and ready for the next trail. Let's check out the best options right now. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the FEINEPRO leather seat covers, crafted exclusively for the Ford Bronco 4-door models from 2021 through 2024. These covers offer a tighter, more refined custom fit than typical universal options, fully wrapping each seat for corner-to-corner protection while keeping your airbags unobstructed and your storage accessible with built-in seatback pockets. The breathable leather strikes that rare balance of softness, durability, and easy maintenance, with drivers noting how convincingly factory-made these look once installed. Compared to the options that follow, this one sets a strong baseline with its luxurious feel and impressive snug fit, though they do warm up like real leather. Installation is straightforward, and once in place, they transform the interior with a clean, upscale finish. As we move down the countdown, each pick builds on what this one delivers, so let's continue to the next item that steps it up even further. Coming in at number 4, the RIDEPOSH leather seat covers deliver a higher level of craftsmanship and luxury for the Ford Bronco 4-door 2021 to 2025. These Napa leather seat covers feel ultra-soft and noticeably more upscale, giving your Bronco a premium cabin upgrade while maintaining full access to airbags, armrests, seat adjustments, belts, and child seat points. They provide complete front seat wrapping plus a seatback organizer, all tailored with excellent precision. The 4-layer protection system offers superior resistance to spills, scratches, and everyday dirt, yet only needs a quick wipe to look new again. Owners appreciate the factory-like finish, the smart rear cup holder cutout that opens and closes cleanly, and the thoughtful design details like full headrest coverage and pinstriping accents. These covers offer a more refined fit and added functionality compared to the previous item, making them a strong step forward in the countdown. Let's keep moving toward number 3, where the competition gets even tighter. At number 3, the Red Rain leather seat covers deliver a more robust, visually striking upgrade for 2021 to 2025 Ford Bronco 2-door owners. These covers mirror the Bronco's original interior lines with impressive accuracy, enhanced by cloud-inspired embroidery that adds character and a personalized luxury feel that outshines the cleaner, more minimal style of the previous pick. Built with premium Napa leather and a thick 10mm composite interior, they provide deeper cushioning, better fatigue reduction, and a noticeably heavier, more durable structure. The full-wrap design protects every side of your seats while keeping airbags fully functional and seatback pockets accessible. Users love how easily they install, how seamlessly they blend into the interior, and how they feel like factory seats rather than covers. Now stay with the countdown as we head into number 2, where the next option pushes comfort and style even further. At number 2, the giant PANDA leather seat covers bring a more refined and heavy-duty upgrade specifically tailored for the Ford Bronco 4-door 2021 through 2025. These soft faux leather covers feel smooth and luxurious while offering excellent durability, waterproof performance, and effortless maintenance, giving them a practical advantage over the thicker, embroidered design of the previous option. The diamond quilted stitching adds a stylish, three-dimensional look that integrates perfectly with the Bronco's factory interior, creating a clean, premium finish. With full coverage protection, they shield your original seats from wear, spills, and pet hair while maintaining a factory-like fit that many users say looks even better than OEM. The snug installation, improved grip, and heavy-duty quality make them a clear step up in design precision and everyday functionality. Now stay tuned as we reach number 1, where the top choice sets the highest standard in this entire lineup. At number 1, rising above the entire list, the Mabett seat covers claim the top position with a design made exclusively for the 2024 Ford Bronco that includes rear cup holders. These covers go even further than the giant PANDA option by delivering the most factory-accurate compatibility, preserving full functionality of the seatbelt openings, rear armrest box, cup holders, and airbag deployment zones. The felt-backed OEM-style construction provides superior coverage and blends perfectly with the Bronco's original contours, offering a level of precision and integration that the previous pick simply can't match. With tear-resistant material, a luxurious touch, and a sculpted, custom-tight finish, these covers provide unmatched durability and a truly premium feel. Users rave about how professional they look, how snugly they fit, and how impossible it is to tell they're not factory-installed leather. Although installation requires some effort, the result is a clean, secure, long-lasting upgrade that makes the Mabett seat covers the most complete and refined choice on the market.